Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Permadi Cahya and you can call me Permadi. And the title of my final project proposal is Analysis of the Contribution of Entertainment Tax and Hotel Tax to Semarang Regency's Local Revenue in 2019 until 2023. And the structure of the presentation is: the first is background, the second is literature review, and the last is research methods. The first is background. Semarang Regency, as one of the regions with great tourism potential in Indonesia, relies on entertainment tax and hotel tax as one of the main sources of PAD. The Regency is known to have a variety of tourist destinations, ranging from natural attractions such as Gedong Songo Temple and Umbul Mukti, to cultural and culinary tours. With tourism activity on the rise, the entertainment and accommodation sector in Semarang Regency has become an important component in driving local economic growth. Entertainment tax covers various recreational activities such as movie theaters, karaoke, amusement parks, and cultural arts events. Meanwhile, hotel tax is derived from accommodation services provided by hotels, inns, resorts, and homestays. According to Halim 2007, in Nasir 2019, for PAD is regional revenue obtained from sources within its own territory collected based on local regulations in accordance with applicable laws and regulations. In Article 3, Paragraph 1 of Law Number 33 of 2004 concerning financial balance between central and regional governments, it is stated that PAD aims to provide authority to local governments to finance the implementation of regional autonomy in accordance with applicable regulations, with regional potential as a form of decentralization. From the above background, a final project proposal is written with the title Analysis of Contribution of Entertainment Tax and Hotel Tax to Regional Original Income of Semarang District 2019 until 2023. And the next is problem formulation. Based on the background above, the problem formulation in this study is as follows. The first is: how much does entertainment tax contribute to Semarang Regency in 2019 until 2023? How much does hotel tax contribute to Semarang Regency in 2019 until 2023? And the last is: what factors influence the contribution of the two taxes? And then the research objectives is: the study aims to: the first is analyze the contribution of entertainment tax to Semarang Regency in 2019 until 2023. And the second is analyze the contribution of hotel tax to Semarang Regency in 2019 until 2023. And the last is identify factors that influence the contribution of both taxes. And the next is research benefits. This research is expected to provide the following benefits. The first is theoretical benefits. This research is expected to add references regarding the contribution of local taxes. The second is practical benefits. Provide recommendations to the Semarang Regency government to increase the revenue of entertainment tax and hotel tax. And the last is benefit for other researchers as reference material for future researchers who will conduct similar research in the future. And the next is literature review. The first is regional original revenue. Regional original revenue is the accumulation of tax revenue items consisting of local taxes and local levies, non-tax revenue items in the form of revenue from regionally owned companies, as well as investment revenue items and natural resources management. Bastian 2002 in Nasir 2019. The second is local tax. Local taxes are mandatory contributions from individuals or entities to regions that are compelling without getting direct rewards. Siahan 2013 175 in Mafaza et al. 2016 2. According to Suwarno and Suhardiningsih 2008 in Nasir 2019 4, local taxes have the potential to continue to be explored in order to increase regional income. Local tax revenue sources make a significant contribution to regional income. The third is entertainment tax. According to Semarang Regency Regional Regulation number 10 2010 on entertainment tax is a tax on the organization of entertainment. The fourth is hotel tax. Law of the Republic of Indonesia number 28 of 2009 states that hotel tax is a tax on services provided by hotels. And the fifth is tax effectiveness. According to Hodge 1984 299 in Datulang et al. 2014, effectiveness as a measure of organizational success is defined as the organization's ability to achieve all its needs. Tax effectiveness equals realization of tax revenue divided by potential tax revenue multiplied by 100%. The sixth is tax contribution. Contribution is the amount of contribution given for an activity carried out. Handoko 2013 2 in Octovido et al. 2014 3. Local tax contribution analysis is a method used to measure how much tax revenue contributes to local revenue. This analysis is done by comparing the realization of local tax revenue with total local revenue. Handoko 2013 3 in Octovido et al. 2014. Tax contribution equals local tax revenue divided by local additional revenue multiplied by 100%. And then is research method. The first is definition of research methods. Sugiono 2019 2. The research method is a scientific approach used to collect data with specific purpose and uses. The research process involves a series of activities, from searching and recording information, formulating questions, to analyzing data and compiling reports. And the second is data classification. Database source. Data according to its source can be divided into two, namely as follows. The first is primary data. Primary data sources are data sources that directly provide information to data collectors. In other words, this data is obtained directly from the object of research or respondents, both individuals and groups. Sugiono 2019 194. And the second is secondary data. Secondary data are a type of source that does not provide data directly to the collector. Instead, this data is obtained through intermediaries, such as other individuals or documents. Sugiono 2019 194. And the second is data according to its nature. Types of data according to their nature are grouped into two, namely, the first is qualitative data. Tambu Bolon 2023-16. Qualitative research is a method that aims to describe and analyze various phenomena, events, social activities, as well as attitudes, beliefs, and perceptions both individually and in groups. And the second is quantitative data. Tambubolon 2023-16. Meanwhile, quantitative research is a procedure that uses numerical data to explore knowledge and provide information about the things you want to know. Fundamentally, quantitative research aims to ensure problems through accurate measurement of certain variables. And the third is data collection methods. Khorida et al. 2019, 399. In obtaining data, there are several methods, namely, the first is interview. An interview is a meeting between two people who exchange information or ideas through a question and answer sessions. This process allows them to develop a deeper understanding of a particular topic. Sugiono 2016, 231. And the second is observation. Observation in Sugiono 2016, 226 is the main foundation of all science. Scientists work by relying on data, which are facts about the real world obtained through observations. And the last is documentation. According to Sugiono 2016, 240, documents serve as records of events that have passed. This document includes various forms such as image, writings, or monumental works produced by individuals. And the next is data writing method. The writing method used in this research are: the first is description. According to Alec and Ahmad, 2016, 184, description is a type of writing that describes the shape, appearance, nature, taste, or characteristic of the observed object and classifies it in certain categories. And the second is exposition. According to Alec and Ahmad, 2016, 184, exposition refers to writing that aims to provide information, explanation, or classification and help readers understand a topic in more depth. And the last is data analysis method. The data analysis method in this research uses a quantitative descriptive approach. This process involves collecting, analyzing, and accurately describing the facts related to the object of research, so as to enable the drawing of conclusion from the phenomenon under study based on numbers. Sultiawati et al. 2022. In addition, the research data will be interpreted through the calculation carried out so as to provide a comprehensive explanation of the solution to the problem faced in this study. Thank you for your attention and see you.